In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add columns to an existing sheet in Smartsheet. If you've ever had to build out a sheet and realized you needed a whole set of new columns, you know how tedious it can be to add them one by one. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple trick to add multiple columns at once, using the existing columns you already have in your Smartsheet. First, open the sheet where you want to add the new columns. At the very top of your sheet, you'll see your column headers like task name, start date, owner, and so on. To start the bulk add process, move your mouse up to these column headers. Now highlight multiple existing column headers. You can select up to 5 at a time. Click the first column header you want to use as your starting point. Then, hold the Shift key if you want to select a continuous block of columns, like columns A through E. If you want to pick specific columns that aren't next to each other, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac and click each header you want. You should see all the selected headers highlighted, which means they're active. With those columns highlighted, move your cursor onto any one of the selected column headers and right-click. This opens up a context menu with actions related to columns. Take a moment here to make sure you're right-clicking directly on a highlighted header, not in the rows below, or you'll see a different set of options. From that context menu, look for the option that says Insert Number Columns Right or Insert Number Columns Left. The number you see will match how many column headers you selected a moment ago, up to 5. Choose whether you want those new columns to appear to the right or to the left of the ones you selected, then click that option. Smartsheet will instantly insert that group of new columns for you. They'll appear with default names like Column 1, Column 2, and so on. The last step is to rename each new column individually so your sheet stays clear and organized. To do this, double-click on each new column header, type in the name you want, and press Enter. Repeat that for each new column, and you're done. Using this method, you can quickly expand your existing Smartsheet structure without having to insert each column one at a time.